Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for today's kitchen clean with me, where I hopefully give you some extreme cleaning motivation as we are deep cleaning my entire kitchen. So stay tuned. I will share with you tons of motivation as well as how to clean your oven without a self-cleaning oven and just some real life messes. So I'm really excited because this video is extra special as it is in collaboration with one of my friends on Instagram. Her name is Sheila, and her and I recently connected, and I am really excited to share her with you guys as I honestly love watching her channel. She does tons of cleaning motivation as well, and she's also doing an extreme clean with me video. So make sure that after watching my video, you go ahead and check hers out and say hi in the comments, letting her know you came over from my channel. Baby, I will show you. Alright guys, so we are starting off with my dishwasher. Don't judge me in today's video, you guys. I am showing you some really bad messes here, but as a mom of two little girls, I don't get the opportunity to deep clean my house as often as I would like, and we are currently renting this house, and so I also just don't have the motivation all the time to give it a really good deep clean. But today we are tackling my kitchen and again giving it a really good clean. So I hope this gives you some extreme cleaning motivation. So right now I'm just wiping down the outside, and then we are going to go ahead and get the inside as well. But first I wanted to take a toothpick and really get in the crevice here. As you will see, it was so dirty. So we're just going ahead and doing that before tackling the inside.
Thinking about the way that you know me. No one ever cared like you care for me. You're such a bright star in the dark space.
So now that that is all clean, it is now time to start tackling the inside. I mean, I don't even know how this happens, but it gets so dirty everywhere. It's a dishwasher. You would think it would be really clean, but it's not. So we're just giving it a nice good wipe before tackling the filter.
So fly, you got me like my. You got me like my. You got me like there's no other than you now, babe. Nah, 'cause you got me like my. Like, oh my God.
And if you're wondering what I'm using here, I am using my Tiber River spray, and then obviously just some toothpicks so I can really get in there. So now it is time to clean the filter. Look how bad this gets. I clean this filter once a week, usually on Sundays. Today was not Sunday when I filmed this though, but as you can see, it's still dirty. You kind of get the gist of it. I honestly just run it under some hot water and give it a good old scrub, and that's all I do once a week.
Holding back, I got history. Yeah. But the way you've been crossing the line, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright. Never cut it right.
So now that that is all clean, we are going to go ahead and just kind of quickly wipe down a little bit of the inside before going ahead and starting some dishes. So I just wanted to introduce myself. If you are new here, welcome. And if you're coming from Sheila's channel, I want to also welcome you. Make sure that you say hi in the comments. I love getting to know my subscribers and I'd love to hear from you. So I am a mama of two little girls aged 3 and 1, and I work from home running obviously a YouTube channel as well as a direct sales business. But here on my channel, you will find lots of homemaking and cleaning motivation. So if that is what you enjoy, then I would love to have you join our growing YouTube family. So make sure to hit that red subscribe button. So as you can see, the bottom mat for my dish rack was so dirty. So I ended up just using the Go Clean Co solution, which is really hot water, a splash of bleach, and then about a tablespoon of Tide, and I used that to go ahead and scrub the bottom of it. As you saw, it didn't get like totally clean, but that is literally as clean as I could get it. I scrubbed at that thing, like put my back into it, I swear, and it still did not get totally clean. So I'm definitely gonna have to get a new one. I've been looking at a few online, and when our stores open, I will definitely go get a new one. So now I'm just going ahead and wiping everything down, just using dish soap and water from when I did the dishes there. Now the next part of my extreme clean with me is I am going to clean the stovetop. I mean, it is pretty gross here, and so I'm going to be doing that as well as cleaning my oven. So make sure you stay tuned to see how I get this clean. You guys, it was so gross and so bad. I can't even believe I'm showing you guys lots of this stuff on camera today, but this is real life. So here we go. Let's go ahead and just give the stovetop a wipe before going ahead and using some stovetop cleaner to go ahead and get it clean.
I'm out of reasons, I'm out of rhyme, but I'll only tell you that I'm out of time. I'm sick of love songs, I'm tired of this, and I wanna tell you straight just like it is. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back.
So that was the cleaner that I ended up using. It worked okay. It definitely wasn't my favorite. I did have to put some elbow grease into that as well. So I'm sure it was just because my stove was also really bad, and it does probably work if you maintain it. But I did end up getting it clean after, again, putting some back work into it. So now I'm just going ahead and really giving these knobs a good clean, as they were pretty dirty as well. And I just used that Go Clean Co solution as well. Next, I am doing this part on my stove. You can see like in the little cracks there, it got so gross. And so I'm just going ahead and taking a knife on a little microfiber cloth and going ahead and basically scraping it off. Alright guys, next step is this part underneath my stove as well. Like, so gross. I don't even know how food gets stuck in there, but look at that. It is, ugh, I can't even. So going ahead and doing that before we move on to the next part of my kitchen, where we are going to wipe down my cabinets.
What you do, you know that all I think about is you. Say the things you say, I don't know how you make me feel this way. I got you inside my head, and you're never coming out. I don't know what you do to me. Maybe I'm insane. Oh, I just want you to stay. All night, baby, all night. All night, baby, all night. All night, baby, all night. All night, baby, all night.
that I've got that clean, look how dirty the windowsill is here. I just needed to give that a quick wipe. It's hard to see what I was cleaning on camera, but this area was so dusty. Like, look at that. So I definitely had to go ahead and get that all clean. And then you'll notice a little bit on my windows there, if you can kind of see, it is pretty dirty. There was smoothie on that window as well from the morning. I've talked about it in a video before about my kids drink their smoothie in the morning and they just like throw their cups in the sink. They've gotten a lot better because I had to be like, hey, can we just gently put it in the sink rather than like hucking it? So I'm just using what I always use, which is Windex, and I'm cleaning it with a coffee filter. If you haven't tried this, you should definitely do it. I should have wiped the window first because as you can see, I'm like scrubbing the little pieces off with Windex and it wasn't working very well, but it did end up coming off, and then I got it streak free using my coffee filter. So it was really nice to get this window clean as I had been staring at it for a few days. Okay, now we're heading back to clean the rest of the cabinets.
Stay with me. When you're with me, I can't breathe. You are all I'll ever need, ever need. I want you to stay with me. When you're with me, I can't breathe. You are all I'll ever need. Hey, won't you pour me another? I'm going in. So wish me good luck. Yeah, gotta put on my favorite song. I need a boost. Let's turn up the love. No, it is way too late, but
so now I'm going ahead and I'm just going to do a quick sweep before I mop the kitchen floor here, as it was pretty bad. And so I just wanted to again give it a quick sweep to get all the dirt. Again, the floor doesn't look as dirty, it's kind of hard to see, but there it is. It doesn't matter how often I vacuum. I mean, I do let our robot vacuum go almost daily, especially in the summer when we're at the beach and there's sand and stuff we're bringing in the house. But even in the winter, our dog brings in a lot of stuff when she goes outside in the back door there. And then as you can see, I just nailed my foot with the garbage can and it hurt so bad. I'm happy you couldn't see my face in that clip because I recall it. And yeah, it wouldn't have been pretty. I might have let out a swear word or two. So just going ahead and again getting the rest of that swept up, and now we are going to go ahead and mop the kitchen floor using, again, surprise surprise, the Go Clean Co method. Let me know in the comments if you've ever tried the Go Clean Co method, and if not, I would highly recommend checking them out over on their Instagram page, as they have tons of great information.
be with tonight. So I will do anything. I will do anything to make you mine.
So now that I have the floor cleaner all mixed up, I'm gonna go ahead and scrub them using this mop. So for those of you that have been around a while, you know I do usually clean my floors on my hands and knees, but I decided to pull out the mop today. I don't like ever use this thing, I swear. It has been, I think, a year and a half. I think I used it when we first moved in to clean the floors. Other than that, I've been cleaning our floors again on my hands and knees. Let me know in the comments if you prefer to clean your floors like old school style on your hands and knees, or if you actually use a mop. And if you do use a mop, I would love to know what kind of mop you use. I do like this one a lot, actually. I'll probably end up using it more often. I have also used this to clean my walls, like to reach up high on those places like that you can't really reach. I like that the top there, as you can see, is kind of like a triangle, so you can definitely get in like little nooks and crannies and corners. And it's really, really nice and handy, so I do like it for that reason. So now I'm going ahead and I'm going to clean our oven. So I'm going to share with you guys how to clean your oven if you don't have a self-cleaner, as this oven doesn't have a self-cleaner. So yeah, I had to obviously do it all by hand. So in that little water bottle mixture, this was a homemade oven cleaner that was found on Pinterest, and I'll have the recipe linked below, but to be honest, it didn't work that well. I ended up going in with the baking soda, as you can see, and then putting a lot more of the solution on top, as it just wasn't really, I shouldn't say it wasn't working, but there was a lot of grime and stuff, as you saw in the before in here. So I'm going ahead and just taking a magic eraser and trying to scrub it. Now, I want you to guess in the comments, how many magic erasers do you think I used in this video? Let me know.
Still until you came, I was breathless when we first met. Couldn't keep my hands away. I was speechless when we first met. Yeah, you took the pain away. Didn't mind my scars, mend my broken heart. Life was dull until you came. Now I see in color again. It could rain, I don't mind if it pours, 'cause I'm right next to you, to you. Come rain or come shine, I don't mind, 'cause I'm right next to you.
So you're probably sitting here wondering, like, why are you not using an oven cleaner? And that is because I was planning on doing this video and cleaning my oven for about a week and a half to 2 weeks, and every time I went to the store I forgot to buy oven cleaner. I'm like the worst, you guys. I go with the list and I always forget something still. Let me know if you're the same. But I kept forgetting it, and so it was the day to film and I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna try this homemade oven cleaner and see how it goes. And so you're gonna see how it goes. And I just wanted to share that with you in case you were wondering why I wasn't using an oven cleaner.
Never thought I'd feel this high. The sky has never felt this close.
So next I am going in with a little butter knife and I am scraping the bottom gunk off because nothing was getting it off. I don't even know if oven cleaner would get it off, to be honest. So I had to let it soak with some really hot water to loosen it up a bit, and I'm really happy with how this ended up turning out. So here it is. It's definitely not perfect, but it is significantly better, and I'm really happy with how it turned out. Now I did end up going to get oven cleaner now, and so next time I will definitely try that, and maybe I can give you guys a little comparison. But the next thing we're going to do in our kitchen deep clean is I'm going to tackle our light fixture. So as you can see, it was so dusty, and I did this not long ago, so I don't know what happens, but I feel like there's just always so much dust, so much stuff everywhere, so I am constantly like deep cleaning and whatever, but I do like to do a little bit every day rather than like tackling it all on the weekends or whatever. So let me know in the comments how you clean, if you kind of do tasks day to day or if you wait until like the weekend to hammer it all out.
Took the pain away. Didn't mind my scars, mend my broken heart. It could rain, I don't mind if it pours, 'cause I'm right next to you, Come rain or come shine, I don't mind, 'cause I'm right next to you.
So I hope that you enjoyed today's kitchen deep clean and extreme clean with me. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps out my channel. Hit that red subscribe button if you haven't already, and don't forget to check out Sheila's video as well. We'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.